नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन ज्योति विद्यापीठ वोमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वोमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। In today session we are going about discuss the project management. In this first subjects over our topic overview of project management. Project management a discipline. Project management developed from several fields of application. Two father of project management are Harry Grant and called the father of planning and control techniques that are famous for his use of the Gantt chart as a project management tools. And Harry Fayol is famous for his creation of the 5 management functions, which form the foundations of the body of knowledge associated with project management. The 5 management functions: planning, organizing, controlling, coordination, commanding. And now let's discuss the meaning of project. A project is a temporary, having a defined and beginning and end, undertaken to meet and acquire goals and objectives, and usually to bring about beneficial change or added value. The project is a scheduled set of activities aimed towards and the creation of particular assets as per plan specification, with a view to generate and wealth as estimate for coming years. A project is a non and routine, non-representative undertaking. The relationship in a project setting are dynamic and temporary and flexible. A project requires coordination of the efforts of persons draw for from different financial areas and contributions of external agencies. And now let's discuss the characteristics of project. A project has several characteristics and features of the project are beneficially and described below. A project has a mission or a set of objectives, and once the mission is achieved, the project is treated as completed, and project has to terminate at some time or other, and it cannot continue forever. The set of objectives and indicate the terminal stage of the project, while the numbers of while the number of particulars in the projects are several. The project is one single entity and its responsibility is assigned to one single agencies. A project call for teamwork. The members of the team may come from different organizational units and different discipline and even from different geographic and regions. A project calls for teamwork. The members of the team and may come for different organizations, units and different discipline and different geographical and regions. A project has a life cycle and is represented by growth and maturity. A project has a learning component. A project is a unique and number two projects are similar and even though the plans set up are identical, the organizations and the infrastructures, the location and the people make the projects unique. Change in natural phenomena with every project and throughout its lifespan. Some change may not have any major impact and but some others may change the very nature of the project. The happenings and during the life cycle of project are not fully and known at any stage. As time passes and the details are failures and successfully, and for examples for more details are known as and about the project at the in reactions and stage and then the detailed and engineering stage. A project is always and customers and specific the requirements and contains and the within the which a project must be executed are the stimulated by the customer. By the customer. And a project is a complex set of things and project and vary in the terms of technology, equipment and materials, machinery and peoples and work ethics and organizational culture. Any project exposed to risk and uncertainty and extent of these two depend upon as the project moves and through the various stages in its lifespan. Now, let's discuss the types of project. Development project. First one is development project. A development project has the objective of improving something and to make the little and better for a group or an other in same way. For example, government spends much of its and budget on development projects which range from buildings of roads and schools to provision of drinking water and training to teachers and doctors or development functions. Second one is research project. A research project seeks to overcome a concentrate or solve a problem. It will yield an output that may be it knowledge or a new technology, but it will not usually directly aid and developmental objectives. However, the results a research projects vary and often are the basic for the development projects. And third one is scale of projects. Management is a very widely and used term with varying and preparations has been defined in different ways as first one is getting the things done. Second, the ability of for persons to accomplish the particular task and ability disparity and hardship. And third one is using available and resource effectively. Now, thank you. This sessions is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.